Hey guys, what is up? I got another video on Hearthstone for you guys. Today I'm going to be doing a bit of a pack opening. I got 15 packs to open, classic. So let's see if we can hopefully get some rares and maybe some epics. And hopefully it'll be pretty nice to get a legendary. So let's see what we can get here. Alright, looks like first pack we got a rare. Ooh, 2 rares. That's pretty nice. Mana Worm. Alright, so we got Lights here, and keep roasting. So let's continue on. That was a pretty good first pack. Let's see what we can get in the second pack here. Rare. 1 rare. Alright.
Rare.
Mass Dispel. Ooh, that's pretty nice. Rare. Same thing.
Rare.
Mana Titan. Ooh, an epic. And a rare.
Rare.
Starfall. That's pretty nice. And South Sea Captain. Ooh, your other pirates have 1/1. Oh, 2 rares. We're doing pretty decent here.
Rare.
Shadow Flame.
Rare.
And Demolisher. 9 packs left here. Let's see if we can hopefully get a legendary here. 2 more rares. That's nice.
Golden Coleman.
Ooh. Pretty nice to disenchant.
Rare. Rare.
And a Felguard. Standard pack.
Rare.
Another card light. Let's see if we can hopefully get something better than what we've been getting. Maybe some more epics. Nope.
Rare.
Angry Chicken. Same thing.
Rare.
Fender of Argus. Down to 5 packs now. Oh, 2 rares. We're getting a whole bunch of rares.
Rare.
Ooh, that's nice. And some mind control tech.
Rare.
And Blaze Fury. Oh, an epic.
Rare. Epic.
Here we go. Ooh, yes, that's really nice. I've been trying to get that card for a while.
Rare.
And Vaporize. Oh, and ooh, that's pretty nice.
Rare.
Got an Ancient Watcher. Ooh. Lava Burst, Golden, and Ancient of Lore. Last pack. Alright, well, I guess that's the end. I hope you enjoyed the video. I intend to make some more videos of this. And like always, thanks for watching.